Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're curious on how to bring back the YouTube dislike button since it was so one-sidedly taken away from us on YouTube, since the community's voice does not seem to matter, what you can do is you can go to Google and you're just going to type in the Chrome web store. So whenever you get here, just click on the link to go to the website and search the store. You could type in YouTube and that should pretty much be all you really need. I mean, you can find it on here. If you don't, just type in the dislike button. And this one right here is return YouTube dislike. So what it does for, very obvious things is once you have it installed as your extension, you could just pick any video. We'll click this one and it does bring back your dislikes. That's all you got to do. Quick tutorial, and hopefully you had fun with this. Hopefully you enjoy it. Don't let YouTube win. Thank you.